Hi, my name is Neeraj. I'm the founder of Madhawk Games. Today, I want to talk about why stupid goals sometimes get you where you never thought. Sometimes we plan things, but sometimes we do unrelated stuff from our daily work, like exploring how new industries work. For example, the game developer will explore the stock market or self book publishing. This will feel we are wasting our time, but we are actually learning new skills and learning how people think outside our industry. I know we need to stick with one thing, but it helps more when we get a new perspective of different industry. We can mix two industries knowledge and come up with new ideas. Like if you have good knowledge of stock market, now you can build some software around it. I've recently explored one new industry which is self-book publishing, and good thing about this industry, we can use our previous gain knowledge from our work or maybe something you want to write, and it also gives you the freedom to test with different things. Benefits of self-publishing, I got a small number of downloads. More importantly, the experience of writing a book and then checking mistakes, then doing this 50 times makes you more patient, and you try to think more about the reader, and thinking about the end consumer is powerful marketing skill which will never fail and it always works. Now let's talk about the money side of this side hustle things. Sometimes it can flop, like you will not make a penny, or maybe you will earn same or more amount than you current work, but getting experience of the different industry is also a currency which will help you more than making quick bucks. Especially when your perspective grows, you will feel a new life in you, which is great thing, especially in this pandemic.